Hello friends, welcome back to another edition of the Sweet Experts video. So yesterday, there was a weekend curfew, and so I decided to just pack up my bags and come over to ITC Gardenia. The occupancy was really very low, and probably it was very easy to get an upgrade for an ambassador elite into the suite. So I'm staying in a tower suite, which I just want to share it with you. So come, let's have a look into this. The room number that I'm staying is 1744, and it is named as Woodpecker. Let's get inside the room. So the moment you enter and just walk to the right hand side of yours, you see this very spacious living room. A lot of nice sitting area over here. Very comfortable uh, dining area over here, and then you have an attached balcony with it, which is very nice. Small one though, but a very added advantage to have a balcony attached with your living room, sort of. In fact, I actually prefer to keep this door open yesterday night, whole of night, while I was sitting late and working over here. So, the weather, Bangalore weather made it really very cool overall, the temperature in the room. Then we go into the another room, come. Because from there we walk into this room, which is our bedroom. Uh, Again, very beautifully done. A lot of woodwork in the room. You have very comfy bed. I don't know what is the, this mattress which they are using, but it is really very comfortable. Um, I think you also have something interesting in this room where you can actually control or manage a lot of your stuff when you're staying through this uh, iPad that they have kept it. It shows your name and then master, and you do not disturb, or you know I can actually control the entire lightings in this room. For example, if I want to switch off this, I think this is the one. Yeah, it works. I have to switch this on. So basically anything and everything in this room that you can see can be controlled by this. There are a lot of options in this one. If I go to the home page and show it to you. So yeah, see, room control, you can control your TV. There is a video that you can play in room dining. You can order laundry, whatever, so pretty good stuff that you have. Again, an attached balcony, a bigger one than compared to the living area. Come. So quite spacious. You have this sun bed also over here, so you can lie down probably in the early morning or in the evening time, and that can be pretty relaxing. The view is panoramic from this place. That's the Kantirva Stadium, the biggest sports stadium in Bangalore. I can see the UB Towers right in front of me. Then you have that JW Marriott over there. So pretty much heart of the city that you are actually when you're staying in this hotel. This is the front portion of the hotel, uh, and I think that's the entrance on that side. They have this very nice box where they have kept all your tea, coffee. You have this couple of mugs, all of Sunbeam. I think couple of sachets of Sunbeam government coffee, which generally you find it in all of the ITC hotels. They have a very nice machine also for you to prepare the coffee. Not tried it, not a tea coffee, but looks very interesting. Okay, now here is basically your closet area, all of stuff to keep. And then we have this bathroom over here. So again, a lot of glass that I can see this side, this side. You have this entire panel of glass. as usual, you have all this high-end bathing soaps and the shampoos which are there. You have a bit of a small bathtub also, quite comfortable over here, and uh, the bathroom, which again, I think that's a little disappointing thing. Probably they should change it to a better shower. In fact, I did checked in yesterday when I checked in early morning. I was in ITC 1 and they had this very nice rain shower in that before they moved into this room. So I think probably they should do it with this suites. But the water flow, the water speed was really very nice, and it was still a very good experience. Okay, so what should I say? I think it's a very beautifully done, a very nice decor. You feel very comfortable when you're staying in this suite. And as I said, very comfy bed, a lot of space. Two of balconies in the room are really nice, to have attached with your suite. My verdict, I mean, if you are really looking for a nice, relaxed weekend, also experience, also this place won't disappoint you. And one special mention about, did ordered couple of times the in-room dining, and the food was exceptionally, I would say, or probably compared to the other hotels that I have tried, I have found that the taste on quite a good side, sort of. So guys, if you're here, please come in, try this hotel, try this suite, and enjoy your stay. Thank you so much.